Let's munch.
Alright, so today we're making the Ribinator. Think McDonald's McRib if it was on steroids and had daddy issues. First, you're gonna grab yourself a pork shoulder and get rid of the fat because it's disgusting. We're going to cut this little fed open and cover it in gochujang paste, or you can use mustard or anything that's going to make these beautiful spices stick to the meat. You can find the details of the barbecue rub on my Instagram. Please season heavily and rub it in seductively. You're going to show it love, it's going to love you back. That's going to go in the oven uncovered for an hour and a half. Then we're going to drown it in apple cider vinegar, cover it and put it back in the oven till it pulls apart easily. We're going to pack this into a container, cover with cling film and put it in the fridge. After a couple hours, we're going to cut it into rectangles, then coat it in flour, egg wash and breadcrumbs. Next, deep fry in oil until golden brown. For the barbecue sauce, just add all ingredients into a pot on medium heat and give them a mix until combined. Make sure that rib is fully covered in the sauce and I beg you toast your buns. Kewpie mayo goes on top of the bun, followed by the rib, some sliced onion, pickles and the top bun. You already know that this one hits differently. I had to clip my jaw back into place after eating this, and as always, the boogie's mandatory or you didn't enjoy your food. Safe.